Now that you know how to create a use case, how to document it, how to develop a diagram, and what kinds of things to be writing in the specification, what sections are in there, and so on, let's try to talk about where you get use cases from. Where do you discover use cases? Sometimes you're going to be given a use case by a manager. Sometimes you're just going to be initiating the use case from start. As you work more in the world of requirements definition, of gathering and expressing the requirements for an application, you're going to be the one that will be expected to identify all of the use cases in a given situation. So I'm going to introduce you in this section to 3 specific methods for finding use cases. First off, we're going to talk about a thing called a vision statement. A vision statement is a phenomenal tool for expressing why people need the application. It's actually used as a tool for decision makers to decide whether or not a specific application should be developed, whether it should be funded, and what it exactly is going to be doing. We'll give you an example of what a vision statement is, and we'll show you how to get from the vision statement to use cases. The second technique is called business event analysis. Actually, the technical name is event response analysis. And event response analysis is also a phenomenal tool for not just identifying the use case, but really getting you started in documenting the use case according to the techniques we taught in the previous sections. You're going to get to understand how the use case actors are actually identified as part of the event. Finally, we're going to talk about scenarios. Scenarios is a bottom-up approach to developing use cases or to documenting use case specifications. Actually, a scenario is a very concrete way of approaching life. It's really an example-based approach, if you will, because you're going to look at a situation, create the use case to deal with that one specific situation, and then look at additional situations to augment and continue to expand on the original use case. We're going to teach you 3 different ways in this section on where to find use cases, how to find them, and what the powers of each of these techniques are.